Today I show you how to Rigify a custom character in Blender, how to set controller on Blender by Rigify. Okay, first I create this custom character. Go to File menu, Export FBX character, target tool presets, select Blender, select option FBX options, select mesh and motion. In this motion including, I select only current pose and everything is set as usual. Export it, click export. Create a folder. I create new folder, CC King. CC and G King. Just select save. This character already exported. Open Blender, delete cube, press N, select CC pipeline, import character, select your folder where you export your character. I export my character, this download, custom download folder, and Afzal. I select CC King folder, select CC King FBX, import. Character is now imported in your Blender scene. We select this character mesh. You can see texture. Just click this option. This option show you with texture and color this character. And click this option. It is viewport shading only. Okay. I select this import and export dialog box here. Character remove and character creation, all the things are there. I select rigging and animation here and scroll it down and select Rigify setup. Rigify setup, I select quick and click Rigify. Wait some times when it created controlling. Okay, there is all controlling setup are appears with this character. Control your character and create motion or others. You can no motion in this character. I show you by the textured mode. Okay, in this position I go to eye motion and facial expression in this controller. There is a lot of controller and lot of dummies are here for the facial expression. You can create manually this facial animation. Just you select pose mode and you can select your controller object and you can move this eyeball or move with this. If you select this object, you see this eye or move with this. Facial expression is very easy. You can create manually by this controller. In this controller you can use facial jaw up and down. All controller are set automatically with this character and you easily move this character and create motion. Head motion, everything easy to controlling this motion controller. Head motion, jaw motion, teeth motion and others part you can easily move and motion and create a lot of expression by this. Everything you can select privilege controller and move it. You can move body, everything you can create. Every body parts are moving this controller. Everything. Next video I show you how to import motion in this controller. very easy. I request you see this next video for import motion in this character. It is next video I create this animation, importing animation. I hope this video is helpful for all the people who use character creator for creating character and animating it in the Blender. That's all. Thank you.